In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop a PDF using Foxit PDF editor. Whether you're organizing your documents for work or just trying to clean up a file for personal use, cropping a PDF can help you focus on the content that matters most. We'll walk through this simple and efficient task step by step, ensuring you have everything you need to perform this task with ease. First, let's start by opening up the PDF you're looking to crop. Launch the Foxit PDF editor and simply open the file that you have in mind. Once you have your document open, direct your attention to the top menu bar. This is where you'll find various tabs with different functions. The one we need is labeled Organize. Click on this to move to the next step. Now that you're in the Organize tab, look for the option that says Crop Pages. Give that a click. This action will allow you to engage with the area of the document you wish to modify. A useful feature here is your ability to choose the exact area you'd like to keep. To do this, click and drag your cursor across the section you're focusing on, drawing a box that encompasses the area you wish to retain. An alternative method is to go to the page thumbnail on the left side of your screen. Right-click on it, select Crop Pages, and then drag your cursor to highlight the desired area. Once you've selected the area you want to keep, it's time to make some adjustments. A dialog box will automatically appear, detailing the dimensions of the area you just selected. But don't worry if this doesn't suit your needs perfectly right away. You can double-click on the area to reopen this dialog box if needed. Inside the dialog box, you have the flexibility to fine-tune the margins. Adjust the top, left, bottom, and right fields to perfect your crop. And if you're working with a document that contains multiple pages, there's an option to specify a page range. You can choose to apply the crop to all pages, just the even pages, or only the odd pages, depending on your requirements. After you have everything set just the way you want, it's time to proceed and confirm your changes. Simply click OK, and your PDF will be cropped according to your specifications. As a final step, don't forget to save your newly cropped document to ensure that your work is preserved. Choose Save to update your current file, or Save As if you're looking to keep an original, unaltered version as well. And there you have it. You've successfully cropped a PDF in Foxit PDF Editor. This tool is great for optimizing your document's view and content, making it more manageable and tailored to your exact needs. Thanks for following along, and happy editing!